Dear business enthusiasts. Hello and welcome back to Market Masters Hub, the go-to hub for all things business and marketing excellence. Once a 1940s-era Sears department store, now a cutting-edge tech hub, Innovation Depot is not your typical business entity. Located in the heart of downtown Birmingham, Alabama, this 140,000-square-foot marvel is home to 99 tech companies ranging from mobile software development to microbial testing kits. But it's not just a cool office space. Innovation Depot is a non-profit tech incubator, a powerhouse supporting the birth of new tech ideas. With over 1,250 incubators in the U.S., 37% focus on tech companies, and Innovation Depot stands out as a shining example. Founded by the University of Alabama at Birmingham and the local business community, Innovation Depot is the go-to place for aspiring tech ventures. The incubator concept dates back to 1959, and by 2015, over 7,000 incubators operated worldwide. So, what's the deal with tech incubators? In our spotlight on Innovation Depot, we unveil the process and perks. To join, companies apply online, facing fierce competition. Once in, they inhabit the vibrant Innovation Depot, rubbing shoulders with like-minded entrepreneurs. The incubator offers everything from conventional office amenities to cutting-edge, wet labs for biotech research. But it's not just about space. Customized services abound: strategic marketing, accounting, PR, and more. The tight-knit community fosters collaboration, with regular events and mixers. And let's talk money. In 2014, Innovation Depot companies raised $20 million, a testament to its success. With its board featuring regional business leaders, including banks and investment funds, the incubator connects ventures with potential venture capital. Innovation Depot's success isn't a lone story. Tech incubators come in various forms: university-backed, corporate-driven, or private endeavors like Idealab. Incubators nurture ideas, while accelerators focus on early-stage companies, each with unique features. From fashion to farming, incubators span industries. Tech incubators serve as launchpads for growth and innovation, connecting companies with mentors and critical services. In the ever-evolving landscape of tech entrepreneurship, Innovation Depot stands tall, embodying the spirit of innovation. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast or an aspiring entrepreneur, the doors of Innovation Depot beckon you to explore, create, and conquer. Subscribe for more insights into the dynamic world of tech innovation. Until next time, stay inspired, stay innovative. Cheers to the journey ahead.